need a voltage stabilizer. So we have a non-working key. You can see it's not responsive. And a working key in the car. This is the working key. Maybe the car doesn't have any power. That's weird. Our battery is completely out of power. So we're gonna use our voltage stabilizer to force power to it. I'd rather do it when the car has a full battery, but this is what we get. This is what we're gonna work on. Internet is already set. So this is the existing key, and this is the key to be added. So if the battery was out of power and it's completely depleted, it's gonna say that it's not gonna be able to. See? When it say battery not connected, that's because the battery has been disconnected for quite some time. I mean, it's been bad for quite some time. So we're gonna do forced start, and it's gonna jump the vehicle. Okay, now I got power to the vehicle. That's not the best power for me, but like I said, we're gonna have to deal with this. Light is on. I'm gonna try to turn the lights off. Now we got power, and then we got power to the. Let's double check that this is the existing key. Okay, actually I got it backward. This is the existing key, and this is the key to be added. Okay, let's verify that the key has a good battery. Click on our remote on key 2 plus, and then press here. So I don't have a good battery. For some reason, key 2 plus did not detect the battery. So it has good battery. We're gonna put the battery before. We're gonna switch the ignition on. Ignition is turned on. We're gonna switch the AC off. Roll the windows down a little bit. Okay, so this is the original key that can start the vehicle, the key right there. So we are going to clone this one, 5C2 5AF 3A. Upon programming, our key should have this ID. So let's double check our key ID before. And our key ID is completely different. So we are going to click on this. Okay. So let's go ahead and remove this key that has been the original key. Let's turn the ignition off. Let's take this and that, put the key to place right here, and this is the key. No, actually, we're gonna remove this from the vehicle and we're gonna leave this in the vehicle. Working keys out of the vehicle, back in the vehicle. We'll put the working key here, and we're gonna attempt to start the car. Sometimes it does that. Give it some time. It's now picking up on it. And this is the key right there. Still no key in the vehicle. This vehicle has a battery problem, but let's try to start it. The battery is really, really low. Really, really low. But that key is programmed. Let's turn it off. Just not strong enough to start the vehicle. Let's do this again. Okay, when it shuts off like that, due to electricity issue, you put it on the induction coil for a little bit, just so it can, recognize the key, and then after that, you don't have to do that. The power problem is the main issue, but this key is programmed. So we're going to try this one more time. Let's try the trunk. Let's raise the windows. We're gonna try to start the car again. And the battery is completely depleted.